Hello everyone, my name is Tahira Liaquat. My student ID is 98156524. So now here I am to talk about the Edge Leeds project. This project basically focuses on building a sustainable facility by considering environmental, social and financial goals. Actually, in this presentation, I will show you the project objectives, timeline, resource allocation and how we ensure sustainability at every step. Focus smart technologies, renewable energy system and sustainable material installation. Moreover, data derived from Gantt chart and resource sheet. So basically, I make this project in MS Project software and in Excel sheets. So at the top of the screen, there is a timeline bar, and my main heading is the Edge Leeds educational building. Basically, this one is a building, educational building. So the duration is 650 days. This one is start date. This project start date is 25 November 2024 and finish date is 21 May 2027. So these are procedures. We can also call it dependencies. The other column is resources name, and the next one is work breakdown structure, and the total cost is 5,87,440 pounds. So the next heading is project initiation, which takes 82 days and start at 25 November 2024 and end at 18 March 2025. And the total cost is 17,000. So this project initiation divided into some other subheadings like site selection, secure funding and investment, obtain planning and regularity, approvals, environmental impact and assessments. So in resource sheet, these are the resources like project manager. So it means that this specific task done by these project managers. So the next one is design and planning phases. The subheadings are like architectural and engineering design, sustainable material selection, renewable energy system planning, energy and water efficiency analysis, risk assessment, and sustainability compliances. So these tasks take 180 days. The start date is 31st March 2025 and the finish date is 5 December 2025 and the cost is 38,020 pound. The next heading is procurement and pre-construction, and the subheadings are like contractor and supplier selection, ordering sustainable materials, site preparation and logistic planning, electricity connections like eco-friendly components. So this task will take 125 days and start date is 8 December 2025 and end date is 29 May 2026 and the cost is 47,500. The other main heading is construction phase, like how we construct this building. So the subheadings are foundation and structural works like superstructure erection, installation of renewable energy system, water conservation and harvesting system, like smart building technology integration. And the next main heading is construct testing and commissioning. Like the other subheadings are BREEAM, certification assessment, building security and fire safety checks, final environmental audits. So now the last heading is handover and operations. So The subheadings are training of for building occupants, official handover and documentation, performance monitoring and energy optimization, and the last is and the project. So when our project will end, the date is 25 November 2024 and the end date is 27 November 2024. So basically this is our Gantt chart which we use in this project, and the next I will talk about resource sheet. So this is our resource sheet, like financial analyst, legal advisor, architect, structural engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, sustainability consultant, material specialist, risk manager, procurement manager, contractor, paint, solar panels like geothermal, heat pumps, rainwater. So all these are resources, and there are the next column is type, like there are three types: work, cost and material. So in the next column I put initials, and then if I use financial analyst for two times, then we have to put 200, and like in the other one, legal advisor, if there is one legal advisor, so I put here 100. In the other column I put the standard rate, like a financial analyst take 20 pounds per hour, legal advisor take 20 pounds per hour, and if they work overtime, then the rate is 35 pound or 40 pound. In material, like paint, solar panels, we put the amount as well. So the paint material amount is 50,000 and the solar panel cost is 2,50,000. So this is our resource sheet which we use in this project. Now I'm going to tell about project initiation, like when our project is started. So the start date is 25 November 2024 and the duration is 90 days, which is almost 3 months, and the end date is 28 March 2025. The key task is site selection, which took 20 days, the secure funding and investment, which take 25 days. Installation and conservation. The duration is renewable energy installation 90 days. The start date is 13 October 2025 and end date is 13 February 2026. The next one is water conservation system. The duration is 60 days and the start date is 16 February 2026 and the end date is 8 May 2026. Now I'm going to tell about materials, like solar panel which cost it 2,50,000, geothermal pumps 2,50,000, rainwater harvesting 10,000. Smart integration and interior finishing. So smart building technology take 90 days, the duration is 90 days and the start date is 11 May 2026 and the end date is 11 September 2026. Next is interior finishing. The duration is 90 days, the start date is 14 September 2026 and the end date is 15 January 2027. Now the stakeholders are like sustainability consultant, architect, structure engineer. Handover and operations. So these tasks are training building occupants 30 days, it takes 30 days. Official handover takes 15 days. Energy optimization takes 15 days. Project closure takes 3 days. And this is the total duration. Now I am going to tell you about resource and cost summary. Resources are like work-based engineer, like architect, risk and procurement manager. So material costs are green roofing 1,50,000, smart technology 50,000, energy efficient lighting 5,000. Thank you.